Gorgeous, powerful, and affordable. Take a look at the 2014 Lexus IS250. Powered by the 2.5 liter engine, this 2014 it has a complete redesign for the year. If you're looking for something that's not going to break the wallet but looks like $1 million, this car is for you. For the year 2014, Lexus brought out the brand new line of vehicles with a complete overhaul. Brand new front facades, headlights, grills, just to name a few. This is the rare F-sport model with only 66,000 pampered miles. Black rims, a beautiful red interior. Price to sell at $20,999. Stop in and see us today for the 2014 Lexus with only 66,000 miles at Abbey Auto Sales, located at 13800 US 19 in Hudson, Florida. Make it a great day.